Right, good morning folks. We're here to do this roof clean today. It's been a long time no see on YouTube, hasn't it? We've got all of this roof to do, all up there. So I'm going to start the garage roof and then build the tower, do the main part, go next door, do this side of the gable, lower bit, then at the back, and the back's all fiberglass roof. Let's get this tower out, shall we? Boards. Still at the steam cleaning, we've got a new hose reel there, the low pressure run one. All the inverters the same, boilers the same. The only thing we've installed is this pump onto the batteries around the back. So if I just want to turn this on, it's on. Look, this is so that I can put one day 2 riv nuts in here and then extend the unistrut up to like here somewhere. Boost like down so that we can bring this one down to like there and then match it. And I want to put a hose reel in the top because, as you probably saw, my tower goes that way and comes across, and the boards finish about in line with my backpack, and then we just basically lower down. We put the sides and then the legs, so that nothing gets crushed like my boiler wires and things. Because if you have it like that, like so it's flat, as you drive it could like bash in and bash out. So I put it up against the wall like that, and at least when I drive it can only do that. But I try not to let it, you know, swing because my legs are kind of against it. But yeah, this is what's going on. Is that like almost there? Still almost there. And level. Right, so let's get this one right. Slightly down. Cool. And then just this one, which isn't far off of it. This is the broken one. No, it's not spinning, is it? Cool. Right, so this is going to be interesting. I thought I'd just give you a quick snippet. So these people are away, meaning that I can't go any closer than where I am. So you have to see the whole lot. So instantly I'm about 5 or 6 meters away from where I need to be, and then I've got to go probably another 7 or 8 meters to the top of the roof. So it's going to be interesting. I don't actually know if I'll fully be able to reach it. I should be able to, but it's very close. It will be a full stretch pole, which is going to be interesting. So I've turned the pressure up a bit just to be able to deal with the weight, and then yeah, we're partially on the road as well, which isn't great, but oh well, got to do what you got to do, ain't you? Let's crack on. So that is all done now. The whole roof is cleaned apart from this little porch bit, which I'm now going to go do. That will only take about 30 seconds. But yeah, we're all the roof is now cleaned. I've done the back. I didn't record the back because I'm an idiot and didn't press record, and I literally did it all in one hit from the flat roof. But yeah, no, sorry about that. But the front is all done. I just need to give it a rinse down the sniper nozzle because that is full reach. And my pressure's slightly too high because it's set for the flat surface cleaner, and my turbo kind of is just like wanting to fly away. So I was only to do this bit because the angle, obviously the surface cleaner is a bit weird. You kind of need to be coming down like that, and your body's a bit twisted and whatever else. So easy with the turbo to do it at funny angles. To be honest, I wish I'd just done the whole lot with turbo, but oh well, done now. But yeah, the whole roof's been cleaned. Turned the machine on at 9, and it's now 12:24. So not bad. 3.5 hours to the whole house. But yeah, clean down starts, and then I've just got to go with the fascias. They're not that dirty, and then just clean up. Like I say, clean up fascia boards. Done. Cool. I'll catch you later on. Good morning, people. Today is day 2 of this video. So yesterday I was meant to film the whole roof. However, I forgot to do the back, so it's only a short little video. So I thought I'd take you with me for the rest of the week. We might as well do a week now, shall we? So we got this today. Quite a big area. So this is all being cleaned today in preparation for Friday, which is in 2 days. You can see it's Wednesday. To be poly sweep sanded, so it sets hard. Kind of need 12 hours and no rain afterwards, so Friday morning looks the best because it's not going to rain till 1 o'clock on Saturday. So that's the plan with this. Water pressure isn't too good. It's not. I mean, that's about 15 minutes or so. So not terrible, but not great at the same time. Yeah, I'm going to turbo the whole lot because there's a lot of these like annoying weeds and things, and there's a lot of moss in all the gaps. I've got a bit of a hose leak as well, which isn't ideal. But yeah, this is it.
tea?
Right.
Another cup of tea?
I'm alright at the minute, thank you. Oh. Yeah, no. There's a lot of muck. Yeah, no, it's coming along alright. Right then folks, that is us all done. As you can see, it's all nice and clean, chemically treated, rinsed many times. A few white spots left over, so we had to turbo nozzle around them again. But yeah, that is how we're all looking. Back on Friday to put some poly sweep in here. I will record that, so this video will come out after that. I was just going to end it here, but I feel like I haven't really spoke to the camera or done anything too major in this video. So you've seen the roof, part of the roof yesterday, and then this driveway cleaned today. Bits of it, obviously I didn't record the clean down of the chemical treatment because I forget, because I haven't done this for quite a while, this YouTube stuff. I forget to stick the GoPro back on. So I'll bring you back Friday to finish this one off with some poly sweep sand, which is hard setting sand. And yeah, I'll see you then. Anyway, I'll see you in a couple of days. Right then people, good morning. We are back today to brush in this poly sweep sand. So this is what's going to go in. I've got neutral colour, buff. It's going to be standard sand colour really. The reason why this stuff is really good, because you can pressure wash over top of it, it's not going to run out. It's weed and frost resistant. It sets hard when combined with water. I've done a test with my pressure washer on full whack and I can't get this stuff out. So it's a really good product. We're going to brush it all in and then clear off any excess with the leaf blower and then wet it all up, getting it more wet every single time, every 10 minutes until we've done it about 5 times, and then that'll be all good. So I'll crack open the bag and I'll show you how I kind of get it moving. Tell you what, it's hot in that sun.
Yeah, I'll bet. Yeah, I've done it before, so you're right. Not that to take him out in the heat.
No.
Yeah. Good to meet you anyway.
Yeah, you too.
Alright,
No worries, take care.
I'll put a Facebook review on.
Oh, cheers, thank you. Right then folks, so this has all been broomed, all the sand's in, I've leaf blown all the excess off, and then I've just done the first coat of watering. I didn't realise my GoPro died, I set it up over there, so I thought it would cover me the whole time, but it hasn't. We're going to do 4 coats, so we're increasing the mist every single time. The pressure washer basically was just dribbling out as I went through the first one, and the second one I turned it slightly up, and now we're at kind of mid-pressure. I'd say this is probably about 40 bar maybe, so yeah, third mist 40 bar, and then the fourth rinse, I'm confusing myself here, the fourth rinse will be kind of full needle valve about this level of revs, which is about half revs. So you don't want to blast any sand out, but you also want to get it quite wet, and also stick a bit of water down, because you don't want to go too kind with the water. You want to get quite a bit out, so that's the plan. So every 5 minutes, so in 1 minute and 3 seconds, I'm gonna do the third coat, which I'll put you on for. Right then folks, that is us all done, and that's how we're looking. It's just drying out now, as I've just driven away and forgot all about you. You were up there, and I've literally, look, just pulled up over there. But yeah, that is it, all done. Right then guys, thank you very much for watching. I understand this has been a bit of a random old video, with a bit of roof cleaning, with a bit of driveway cleaning, and a bit of polish strip sanding. None of it has really been in full detail. It's been a bit all over the place. I can only apologise for that for now. So I will get back into all the YouTube side of things. I'll be posting, you know, quite frequently. I wouldn't say I'll be as frequent as it was before, like every week. It will more be kind of based on the job. So on a job I will go, right, I'm going to record that one and I'll plan it out and I'll make it good, you know what I mean? It won't just be on the fly, kind of like this one was. So that's planned. We've got a wicked video coming out in a few weeks, which I would really appreciate if you guys would all tune into. It's probably my first big collaboration, so it'll be interesting, and I've also had some quite good ideas for it, so we'll be recording that next Thursday. So yeah, hope you all enjoyed. As I said, please like and subscribe, and I will see you all in a few weeks time. Thank you very much for watching. Cheers.